Okay, exercise 34 is a carcass rebate. So we're just going to jump in and draw out our two pieces nice and quick, and then assemble them and cut them away. So we've got 140 by 19. I'm going to extrude him out. He's going to come up 140. There's piece number 1 done. I'm going to jump in and do piece number 2. Just going to draw him over here separately. So it's 19 by 140. So I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude him up, and he needs to go up 140. And then I'm going to cut out my rebate out of this piece back over here. So there's my rebate. It needs to be 19 tall by 9.5. And finish that sketch. Now I could have drawn my rebate in when I first drew my rectangle. Either way, it doesn't matter. I'm going to go through all, and flip it around, and it cuts out my rebate for me. So there are my two pieces. Now I need to assemble them together. So remember, number 1, we always need to have components for assembly. Then we need to ground the component, and then we need to join them. So in my bodies here, I'm going to right click and go create component, create component. So I now have two components. I can move them around. I then need to ground one. So component 1, I'm going to click ground. So right click, click ground. And then I'm just going to come into component 2 and change the material, so it's easy to see. And then we can join these together. So we go joint. I'm going to select, let's go with the middle of this outside line, and we can go with the middle of this line here. Our red lines are facing the same way. It will join together nicely. And there we have our carcass rebate.